So we're back again with another video. This is actually the continuation of my previous video. As you can see here, I'm just taking down the braids and I am going to be parting the hair into 3. This is actually a hairstyle she requested. So I am going to be honoring that. So here I am just sectioning out the hair. Like I said, I'm gonna be sectioning it out into 3 parts. And this is also a protective hairstyle for just like a natural look. Moving along here, as I finish sectioning off the hair, I am going to be putting like this waxy paste around the area of the hair that I'm going to be tying down. And then I'm just going to brush it. I'm just only going to be brushing it just from the root until I put the ponytail in. And that way I don't get the product throughout her hair since her hair already has product. So I first detangle the hair just to make sure everything is nice and easy as I rope twist her hair, and then I just add some beads to it. This is the final look.